Hello, today we will guide you through how to link GoCardless to Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll connect GoCardless so your customers can pay Xero invoices by direct debit, helping automate collections and speed up cash flow. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Xero with the right permissions to change payment settings. If you already have a GoCardless account, have those details handy. If not, you can create one during the process. Start by opening Xero and heading to your organization's homepage. If you're following along in the demo company, the journey is identical to a live organization, so it's a great way to practice. Confirm you're in the correct organization by checking the company name at the top. Select it if you need to switch. From here, go to Settings. If you don't see this option, you might need Advisor or Admin access, so check your user role with whoever manages your Xero account. Within Settings, choose Online Payments. This is where you turn on payment services that appear on your invoices, letting customers pay you straight from the invoice email or PDF. Click Add a New Service. You'll see different ways customers can pay. Because we want direct debit, choose Set up Direct Debit. This option connects Xero to GoCardless, which securely collects payments from your customers' bank accounts and can automatically reconcile those payments back in Xero. You'll now be offered two paths. If you're new to GoCardless, select Sign up for GoCardless to create your account. You'll be guided through a quick setup to provide your business details and verify payouts. If you already use GoCardless, click the option indicating you have an existing account, then sign in and approve the connection. Xero will request permission to access your GoCardless account so it can raise mandates and collect payments against your invoices. Once the connection is complete, you'll see GoCardless listed under your online payment services in Xero. From here, you can enable it on your invoice templates so the Pay Now button includes direct debit. It's a good idea to send yourself a test invoice or use a low-value draft invoice to confirm the button appears and the flow works as expected. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Availability can vary by region and currency, so check that your Xero organization and GoCardless account are set to supported countries and currencies. You may also need to choose the bank account in Xero that receives GoCardless payouts for clean reconciliation. And remember, once mandates are set up, future collections can be automated, saving you time. That's it. Your GoCardless and Xero accounts are now linked and ready to collect direct debit payments on your invoices.